DOJ just messed with the wrong judge over the Epstein files. After another disastrous DOJ court appearance, Judge Emmet Sullivan had enough. He had a warning for DOJ. Follow my orders, follow the law, or face contempt. I've spent more than 20 years practicing law in federal court, and I've never seen anything like this. Here's what happened. Journalist Katie Phang put DOJ in the hot seat, suing Attorney General Todd Blanche to force DOJ's compliance with the Epstein Files Transparency Act. DOJ's prosecutors showed up and couldn't answer basic questions. That's nothing new for Trump's DOJ. What was new was the judge's response. Judge Sullivan had time for DOJ today. He warns them for 30 minutes straight. Here's my 30-second version. When DOJ requested to give the court information in private, Sullivan shut it down. He said, the public has a right to know what the hell is going on in this case. The victims have the right to know too. Sullivan basically asked DOJ, do you know who I am? Because you got the wrong one. DOJ has tried him before. 20 years ago, DOJ prosecutors concealed evidence they were required to turn over. He ordered them to produce it. They didn't. It didn't end well for those prosecutors. Sullivan held them in contempt. That follows you your whole career. They appealed and the appeals court had Sullivan's back. Sullivan told DOJ, you should know what I've done. I'm one of the only judges who has held DOJ lawyers in contempt. I've done it before and I'll do it again if I have to. And then he delivered this iconic line. That's not a threat. That's a promise. Yes. 1,000 times yes. More judges need to put DOJ on blast like this. You defy my orders, you violate the law, you conceal Epstein files you're required to produce. There will be consequences. He's giving DOJ time to comply. If they don't, he'll hold them in contempt. And the way out of contempt? Comply. Release the Epstein files. This is how it's done. This is an OG judge. He's been here before, and he's building an airtight record so that if he holds DOJ prosecutors in contempt, his ruling will survive appeal. But this goes beyond the Epstein files. Judge Sullivan sent a powerful message to DOJ prosecutors and judges across the country. Prosecutorial misconduct without consequences becomes permission. If prosecutors get away with it, they'll keep doing it. When prosecutors abuse their power, judges must use theirs to stop them, because without accountability, there is no justice.